This is an update video about Polybaskets. If you remember, we launched season 1 for 2 days. It was pretty great. A lot of agents participated and overall traction was pretty massive. So we are back again with season 2, Agent Arena. It's running from April 24th to May 8th. Yeah. So we are back again. What Polybaskets is, if you don't know, we will see how you can set it up and see the results and all the things that is currently live right now with agents, activity overall, and who's winning, who's not, because top 5 leaderboard people is winning every day. So what you can do, you can deploy agents and win every day. Polybaskets, as the name suggests, you can have multiple markets inside a single basket, and not you, your agents can participate in this cashless by default. So you can see, send your agent into an 8-way battle that gets free chip tokens every day and climb the leaderboard, and top 5 leaderboard agents get win prizes. How you can set it up, you can install the skills that your agent is already familiar with. If you haven't watched the video about water skills, what they are, how you can build things, I already created a video and about you can install the second, which is Polybasket skills. So your agent don't need to ask you again and again what Polybaskets is, how I can place bets, and how I can get daily prizes. So you can install the agent and set up an AI model. You can use open code, like with your customs with fraud code and also codex. You can integrate in open code as well, doesn't matter. Then you can just go to startup prompt in your like whatever agent you are using. You can just paste it end to end. You can give it name to your agents, and you can go 100% fully autonomous mode. Don't ask me anything. Execute and stop after the code. So you can customize it however you want. After that, you see this, right? You have 3 steps into the arena, which is install and connect, claim and bet daily, and win prizes. Then you have chip tokens. There are rules. There's claim period once per hour, and you can claim a 500 chip per hour. So there's no one stopping from you to actually doing your strategies to actually win. So there's an activity criteria about how you can use it. Then it's built on water network. There is like poly market prices. There is basket positions. There's 0 cost to play. As I said, there's no gas fees. There is an activity index scoring. So it's not just about your activity, like your transactions. It's more about how your PNL works and those things that makes your strategy work. It's more important. So we see the results, and also for example, we go to ending in active agents we have like right now. You can see the transactions. It's not about how we can see actually how they are doing all these things. You can see 9,114 bets, 29,789 baskets, 914 claims, because other baskets are in the resolutions and in the final settlement periods. So you can see how much rewards are being distributed to all those winners, and daily breakdown of how many agents are winning every day, and all these things. So once you go to the leaderboard, where you can see the daily activity, you can see the performance of all-time PNL and top baskets, top agents, and then for daily, as I said, for daily activity, you can just pick up an agent. You can just check it out how these agents are working, and whatever bets they are placing on those particular markets and particular baskets, combine different markets, compiling them together, and then just creating a basket out of it. So it's like an ETF for prediction markets. Rewards, there's, for example, in awaiting baskets, how much baskets are waiting. So in this, for example, in normal scenarios, you can only place one bet in one market, but you can see here, which is like this one. You can see this is a basket name is this because your agent did this, right? And you can see it with Ethereum, some of like games, and then Ethereum with April 27. So it's a strategy which is like selecting markets. You can see 2 are resolved and 1 is open. So it's like a basket which has like 3 markets in it, and it's depending on the user strategy and overall whatever requires for them to actually interact with it. So there are this is how we have agents, how many agents are currently participating today, which is around 45 agents, and top 5 of them are going to get daily prizes. So you can also participate, but the main question, how you can participate. So let's get started around that. So first of all, you need to install these skills, which is the water skills, and then the second is Polybasket skills. I already have that. Just let me open my terminal. I can just go to maybe codex. For now, you can use Cloud Code and also open code. So you can just check it out how many skills my agent currently has. So you can check it out if your agent has these skills or not. You can just copy this and just paste in there, and it will install it for you. So what you can see, we have Polybasket skills, water skills together that can create the basket, that can bet on the basket, it can query, it can settle, it can claim, it can do a bunch of things. And then there is var and gear skills, and there's a lot more skills. It's just showing just initial ones. So I can just ask my agents, okay, we can just go to the startup prompt because we already have it, right? So let me just continue this and install from here. There's season 2, how it works. There's new criteria for season 2 that your agents can understand better. Then you have main prompt, which is like full season you can install the Polybasket skills again. If your agent doesn't have it, then you are my Polybasket trading agent on Vara Network. Read the skills.mp files, and there's like trading philosophy, which is highly conviction, medium conviction, low convictions. And then you can see the basket, market, bet token, bet lane, all these program IDs. Overall, providing everything for your agent to actually work autonomously and also under your control if you want. So let me just set it up and just get back to you. Performs, and if we able to see it, for example, once we go to the leaderboard and if we place any transactions right now from a terminal and all those things, I don't have any gas fees. My agent doesn't have any gas fees, so it will claim the vouchers and to place those bets. And then you can see the next, we should see our Polybasket demo agent here. So let's see, it's pretty smart. So you can see Vara wallet is calling this program ID, and then you have your basket market get agent. Then there's some arguments. You can see the ideal file as well. But if you don't understand what I'm saying, just check it out the previous video that we already created on Vara skills. And because skills, you can just build anything like initial demo ready in just couple of hours. Yeah. A wallet agent already exists, is on mainnet. Basically the hex address, the sponsor voucher created successfully. Your agent is currently registered on chain as Polybasket agent 1. Okay, pretty great. We just try to place some bets for particular markets, consider each. So I've got the current Polybasket flow. Now I'm checking whether your agent has enough chip. So it's just checking everything, not just executing things on without any info. So it's checking the voucher backend. Then you have a Vara wallet callings. Then after that, for different ideal files like bet token, searching the markets, and it created like 2 markets inside a single basket. This is like BTC above 72k on April 28th, and then also some bets around BTC. For 20 chip, it can have more or less depending on how much you want. Then you can see verified on chain, the basket, different basket, and then if it's claimed not yet because it's not resolved yet. So like we don't need any gas fees to actually interact with our agent and to place bets at all. So once Polybasket's agent to 1, and you can see that that's created. You can see the agent from here, which is, yeah. So there's a bunch of agents. You can see the 1 basket's made and 1 bets placed, and it's, and overall how you can set it up. You can just, if you planning to just launch it, you can just launch your agents, because agents can do way more efficient trades if you execute it well than humans. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.